Coming up, I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter on a 2013 Nissan Altima. The engine air filter is pretty essential as it keeps the air that goes into the engine clean. So to begin, you'll need to pop the hood of your car. Once you have the hood open and the prop raised, you'll need to locate the engine air filter box, which is located in front of the driver. You'll need to release the clamps on the sides of the air filter box. There are 6 clamps all the way around, and release all of those. Otherwise, you'll have difficulties getting the filter out of the box, as you see I have here. Then remove the filter from the box and any other debris that may come with it. As you see, the intake side of the filter is very dirty. Then check the box to see if there's any other debris that needs to be removed out of the box. Sometimes bigger debris won't get stuck in the filter, instead it will remain in the box. Then get your new air filter and compare it to the old air filter to make sure it is the same part. As you see, these both have the same tab in the same direction. And then you take the new air filter and stick it into the box and close it shut. Make sure you snap all of the clamps around, because you don't want any dirty air to be able to get around the filter without going through the filter. Then remove any other parts that you have remaining left over and close the hood. The total time it took for me to change the air filter on this particular model was about 2.5 to 3 minutes. It is a very simple maintenance task that anyone can do themselves.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you would like instant notifications, click the bell.